Hi, welcome to Team Woolly Sheep. Today, I'm doing something I haven't done in a while. I'm going flying. Well, it's been almost a year since I've flown last, maybe longer. So I hope I can remember what to do. You still got it.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy Wayne on the sticks. So why do they call you Crazy Wayne? And that is why they call you Crazy Wayne. You love it, don't you?
I do indeed, I love it. Well, that was a great day, wasn't it? What do you mean? What happened to my plane? You noticed. You know when they say you got more confidence than ability, got a bit cocky and I put it in. Not major damage, it's a 3D printed cowling. I need to straighten the motor mount and the motor shaft snapped, so. And this is the beauty of this hobby, is that you can use the resources, 3D printing, a little bit of modelling craft, and you're back in business. New cat cowl, all nicely shaped, new prop, and it's good to go. It's great fun, and I love it. So, thank you for watching Team Woolly Sheep. See you soon. Bye.